All right, so let's take a look at this quiz. Hopefully you did really good, but the faster we can review it, the better it is. Okay, so here's the problems you had. These were all level 2.5, and they were just showing me the one step. So inverse operation, our goal is always to get that variable, wherever that variable is, we want to get it by itself. And there's always, in these problems, there's something bothering, there's something attached to it, and you need to undo that process to get it just to be the variable by itself. So you have all operations here. If we have a plus 12 bothering our variable, we do the opposite and we minus 12 from both sides. We write down what our equation is. So 12s go away, x comes down, equal signs come down. 25 minus 12 is 13. Okay, so that's what I wanted you to see. And then maybe you showed me, if you took the time, you put 13 plus 12 equals 25. And you got 25 equals 25. So you're plugging that answer back in to see if it worked. And you showed me, great, it worked. So now we've got y minus 22. Well, if they're trying to subtract 22, we'll do the opposite and we'll add 22. So y comes down by itself, equal sign comes down by itself. 13 plus 22 is 35. Don't believe me? Plug it back into the original equation. 35 minus 22 equals 13. If you solve this, you get 13 equals 13. Check, it's good. Okay? This is 5 times x. Whenever a number is right next to a variable, that's multiply. So to undo multiply, we will divide, and I'm using the fraction bar as a division. So we're dividing by 5. We get our big 1 there. We get 1x. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Again, test it. 5 times 7 equals 35. So 5 times 7 is 35, so we get 35 equals 35. Last, they're telling us to divide. Nope, not doing it. Instead of dividing, I'm going to multiply by 3. And on this side, I'm going to multiply by 3. So these divide and multiply are opposites, so I just get an x to come down, and I get over here, 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going to test it. I'm going to do 18 divided by 3, and I'm going to hope that equals 6. Well, 18 divided by 3 is 6, so 6 equals 6. I've checked all my work. I'm going back and circling all my answers for my final variable, and it's looking good.